Well, I guess it's time to look at the muffler. Yeah, it's pretty carboned up. You can see where it's blowing out by this. I can hear rust or something rattling around in there. But it looks like it's got 3 self-tappers holding it in, which I almost think my buddy had to put those in because it blew out on him. I don't know what that is. That's metal, obviously. That's the clip for in there. There was no packing at all. Well, if there was, it burned up. Look at, that's all soot. Might have had some. Was it packed with it? It's packed in there. Well, that ain't right. I'll have to get a broomstick or something and jam it down in there. Clean that out. Must have got sucked inward. Or blown inward. Wouldn't be sucked in, blown inward. That must be, yeah, these are little clips to hold the packing, but I gotta clean that up before I touch anything else. It's like little seeds. Oh, this little critter got up in there. Huh. Well, let me clean this up. Okay, give it a quick clean. This is no way a finished product, but at least I can see what I'm working with. Got these pieces of wire out. They were just going through in different spots to keep, I think, anything from blowing through. I don't know, insulation or packing or what. I don't know. I don't know why they would need that. This is what's left of steel wool that was packed in there. I don't know why it was on the inside instead of on the outside. I noticed, there it is. Hard to tell, but that's what's left of a tab. I think what that was, here's part of it, was a flat tab, and then this for the where the screw goes into slips on that, and then when the muffler slides over it, you were able to screw in, and that's what held it. And these were added in later just to hold it. So I might be able to fabricate another tab, put it in there and mark it, and then maybe re-adhere this. I'll have to see what I can do with that. If not, I'll just use these 3 outer ones. Not really a big deal. I want to scrub this again, give this a paint coat of high heat paint, and then maybe wrap it. I have a 3/4 inch tab. Not sure how long. It's Center of the hole is about 1¼ inches. So even if I went about 2 inches, I have a little extra tab. And I could grind it down from there. I found the 1-inch scrap in the scrap bin. That's 1 inch across. I can cut that any length I want. I guess I'll go 2 inches. There's a quick little tab. I can just weld it up under here. And I can put this back in the pipe, mark it out, and then drill it. And should be lined up. Kind of missed that one. That up. Most of that'll be hidden anyways, but give it one more little zap there. That wasn't so bad. You can see what I was going for here. Just reattached to the other tab, cleaned it up a little bit here. So now let's see what I'm looking at here. Now I can mark that and then I'll drill it. Guess I didn't need all this. Well, it'll help hold it in place. So that'll clip on over this. That should make it in that hole. But I think I'm going to have to get a new screw. You can see that chunk missing out of that right there. It was probably rattling in there, just chewing it up. Perfect. Okay, I can retap those 3 if I want it for extra, but that's pretty secure. Well, now I can say I got a custom exhaust. I got these emblems, I got 2 of them. I don't think I can get a Cobra badge for this, so I might as well put a 350 on there. I wouldn't mind putting it right here. Fits pretty good. Only problem is this is 3M tape. I don't think that'll hold. This is metal, but I'd have to try to probably, I don't know if I could drill through this or not without damaging it. Put that in right there. A rivet would probably crack it. I'll have to figure out something, but I'd like to get something on there. I think that would look good. Peeling off the backing, and I notice there is a hole there. I wonder if I can drill through that without damaging that. I bet there's one at the other side here. Way down here though. The end of the 0, the end of the 3. Well, they're the thickest parts. Well, give it a try. And could tack on a couple bolts, use them as studs, put them through. I don't know if I can get the welder in down there to weld up that hole though. And it worked. I found a drill bit that fit in there. I drilled real slow and took my time. And those holes came out perfect. They didn't even crack or damage it. Oops. Nice, real sharp bit. Now I guess maybe I could try to line that up and mark it. Drill a couple holes in this. Figure out how to secure it. Getting there. The punch is actually too big to even fit in that hole, so sharpen a pencil as sharp as I can get it. Hopefully I can see it. There and there. perfect. Now I just got to find studs small enough to fit through this. And maybe I can paint just the tops red to blend in. Let's see if I can do that, find those. So I found these. Couple skinny nails. And they fit in there just about right. So now, possibly, obviously I could just bend them in there, but I'd have an exhaust leak coming through. I'm going to try to maybe give a few tack welds on the inside. This one's going to be tough getting in there, but I'll do my best. But, you know, I'll probably do that after I clean this all up. I don't want to adhere this yet. Oops, got a little bit of the band. Oh, what the booger? Helmet's fogging. What the? Couldn't see nothing. Okay, I got some booger welds on it, but that's really all I needed. I'm not going too crazy. But there, now I can bolt it down, mark it, and I'll probably cut that off a little lower. I don't need that sticking up. This one I got to figure out the height. I don't want to go all the way to the bottom. I think I had some washers holding it about there. Again, I'll find out the height after stacking those and cut that flush too. And when I redo it, that should look good, I'm hoping. So, should look better than what it is. I don't know if that's enough. I've never had to pack a baffle before, so it's tight but not excessively tight. So I think that's what we need for it to expand a little bit, absorb some of that sound. Let's get some wire on it. I have no idea if that's right or not, but I'll give it a try. Worst case, I have to take it right back out and redo it. I don't know. Maybe I'll add another layer. I don't know. That That cone is pretty deep. That'd be a whole lot of area. Yeah, maybe one more layer wouldn't hurt. I don't know. Let's see how that sounds, I guess. Alright. Oh, that was like over an hour of just trying to clean this stuff. A lot of surface area on round pipe. I know it doesn't look the best, but I'll degrease it, and I got all the surface rust off, and some of it's just in the metal. Not much I can do about it. So we'll see how it looks after a quick coat of paint. Gave that a couple coats of the high heat flat. I wanted to see how the badge looked against a flat. I'm not sure if I want to do flat or the gloss black. I don't think I would like the silver there. Oh, the flat black looks pretty good. Well, there it is. That's probably the nicest it's going to look. And I'm considering that done till I get it hooked to the engine. Excited for that. Can't wait.